What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I have something very special for you. I recently found a product that has very low competition, and the best seller who has 8 reviews is doing over $100,000 a month in revenue. You could get 1,000 of these products for under $100. They are very small and lightweight, like the products that I like to launch on Amazon. Now, I actually thought about launching this product and trying it out, but I've got a lot going on with my own products, and I thought I would share it with you guys if you guys want to try it out. Again, there's no guarantee this product will do well, but the least you could get from this video is seeing what a good chart looks like and how you can launch a product on Amazon with not that much money. You see a lot of these people saying you need $10,000, $20,000 to start selling on Amazon, but that is simply not the truth, as you guys know from my $1,000 experiment. So we're going to break all of that down. I'm going to show you the actual product, but before we get into it, if you could like this video for the YouTube algorithm, drop a comment down below for a chance to win my Amazon course or a $100 prize, and hit that subscribe button if you want to see new videos like this every week. All right, so let's get into it. Right from the start, I'm going to show you the actual product, and then we are going to get into how much it costs and how I found the product. So I'm in Amazon right here, and I have it right here. It is a vaccine card protector. Now, this is a COVID related product, so in about a year, you might not be selling too well, but right now they are very new to the market, and I'll show you the trend going on. So what I would do is I would not order tons of these things because people are going to be getting the vaccine over the next year, but after people stop getting the vaccine, then the demand will probably drop. So I'll show you the actual trend line in a second. But right here, you can see that bestseller has 8 reviews, and it's not even an Amazon Prime listing. All of these are manufacturers. Let me go down here, and actually I'll run X-ray to show you how much revenue these sellers are actually doing. So if you don't have Helium-10, I have a discount code down below for 50% off, but I use this for pretty much everything with my own Amazon FBA business. But right here, you can see the average reviews are very low. The average revenue is around $10,000. And let me show you what I'm talking about. So right here, that 5-pack, they're doing $33,000 a month with only 23 reviews. This one is doing $64,000 a month with only 73 reviews. This one has 4 reviews. They're doing almost $20,000 in revenue per month. And it's just like a little business card holder, a little clear plastic sleeve. So they're very cheap to manufacture, which I'll show you. Now, like I said, I'm going to point out a couple of the red flags. So one is there's not too many ways to differentiate this, although there are different designs like a vinyl cover with an actual like color on it. I'll show you those later, but it's like a little Velcro sleeve. But the top sellers are all selling these same exact things. And the truth is, all of these listings look horrible, and they're not even prime listings. So right here, you can see the search volume on this main keyword is 21,000 monthly searches. So I'm going to click on it right here, and recently you can see the demand shot up this month in March. Back here in the beginning of March, there was only 1,700 searches. Now we got over 21,000 searches for this product, so that means very high demand, and it's likely to keep growing because people are going to be getting these cards showing that they're vaccinated. So now I'm going to show you how cheap they are to manufacture, so I'm going to go right here, and you can see they're anywhere from 3 to 6 cents. These are a little more expensive, but this one right here, you could get them for 6 cents a piece. So if you bought 1,000, that would be $60. So you could do 205 packs, and that would be around $60 plus shipping, but these products are very small. Imagine 5 of these little things, like 5 business cards, and that's how big the package is. It's very lightweight. So you could get these sourced for way under $1 for a 5-pack. But let me go back on Amazon and actually show you the profit margin after Amazon's fees. So like I said, a lot of these don't even have the Prime badge. They're shipping right from the manufacturer. But there is one that we could actually see what they are paying for in the fees, which is right. So this one right here has a Prime badge. It's FBA. It's like the only one on here. And they're selling them for $10.99, so I'm going to click on it. And then we are going to come down here to Helium-10's revenue calculator, or you could use the FBA revenue calculator. So I'm going to click right here on revenue calculator. So if the cost of a 5-pack is way under, the cost of a 5-pack will be under 50 cents plus shipping. You're looking at about $1. It's probably going to be a lot less than $1 because I actually sell a product pretty small like this because it's so lightweight and small, and you're ordering a ton of them. So I'm going to put the cost of the product at $1. So after Amazon's fees and the cost of the product, you're around a 40% profit margin, give or take. This is just a rough estimate, but that is how you can launch a product for very cheap. So let's actually see how much this FBA seller is making. They're the only one selling it via Amazon FBA because it's such a new product. Not many have gotten on there. They're not shipped to Amazon yet. So this market will probably get flooded because there's so much demand and not that many sellers doing FBA. But I'm going to click right here. I'm going to run helium-10. So you can see this FBA seller, they're the only one selling via FBA. They have 17 reviews, and between all of their different variations, they have like a 5-pack, a 3-pack, a 10-pack. They're making over $100,000 with less than 17 reviews. So that's how crazy it is. It's a new market. It's not going to last forever. I'm not sure how you could differentiate this product, but if you sold these at $10.99 and you're getting them made for under $1, that is a pretty good profit margin. Even though the FBA fees are going to be around $5, you are still around a 40% profit margin after all of the fees before PPC. This is one product that you could launch on Amazon for very cheap. And for all those people that say you need $10,000, $20,000 to start on Amazon, this is another example of how you could launch a product on Amazon with very little money. All right, so I'm going to show you how I found the product. You've probably seen it before in other videos. It's a common practice for doing product research. All I did was I went up here on Amazon to new releases. I clicked it, and then I went down here to the office category. I clicked on this, and you are going to see all of them pop up right here. It caught my eye because it only had 22 reviews. This one only had 11. This one is the same one. This one had 17 reviews, and I saw the price point between $10 and $20, and I know these things are very cheap. It's only a little plastic sleeve that you put something in. So then I looked it up on Alibaba. They are under 7 cents a piece, and I figured you could get 1,000 of these for under $100. All right, so that's it for this video. If you need help with your own product research and you want me to do a product analysis on the products that you find before you launch them, this helps limit risk and mistakes. You can check out all my links down below. That is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed, but I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.